Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I use the Kat Von D brow pomade in the color dark brown. And I use an angled brush with a spoolie to apply the product. I added the spoolie to this brush. It doesn't come with it. This is the Essence Precise Eyeliner brush. It's super thin, so it's really nice for filling in your eyebrows. You want to start by brushing out your eyebrow. And you take a little bit of product and line the bottom of your brow. You want to start about halfway. You don't want to start in the front so the front doesn't get too dark. Once you line the bottom of your brow, you want to push that product up to start filling in the eyebrow. And upward motions like this. You want to use a light hand in the front so it's not too dark. Then you take a little more product and you're going to line the top of your eyebrow. Again, you want to start about halfway. Once you do that, you continue to fill it in. Then you brush it out. In the front of your eyebrow, you want to brush that towards your nose so it's not so dark. This creates that gradient effect. You don't want to put too much product in the front. And you continue to fill them in, just trying to get them as similar as you can. Don't worry if this part gets messy because I always go back and outline my eyebrows with concealer to clean them up. Here they look pretty similar. So then I'm going to go in with a concealer brush. I use the Morphe M421. This is a really good brush to clean up your eyebrows. And I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain to clean them up. You want to take a little bit of product, not too much. And then you underline the bottom of your eyebrow just about halfway, starting the front, about halfway towards the eyebrow. You take a little more product and you outline the other half of the bottom of your eyebrow. This part actually takes longer than filling in the brow because you want to be more careful with this and more precise, just to make them look real clean. You want to get them as similar as possible with this step. Then you take a little more product and line the top of your eyebrow. Try to keep it as straight as possible. And then towards the end of my eyebrow on my tails, I do like to round my eyebrows because I don't like them to look pointy. That's what I'm doing here. I find that if you hold your brush at this angle, it helps more when you outline the top of your eyebrow. Here I went back into my other eyebrow just to again make them look as similar as possible. Here I went back in with my eyebrow brush. I didn't add any more product. I used what was left and then filled in my eyebrow a little more since I did get a little bit of concealer on my eyebrow. Whoops. And then you want to blend your concealer. So on the top, you would want to blend it upwards, and the bottom, you would want to blend it downwards. You don't want to use a concealer that's too light, just so it can blend in with the rest of your face more. And here I'm just going in with a clear eyebrow gel. I used the Ulta brand one, but you can use any eyebrow gel. They work pretty much the same. This is just to help keep the hairs in place. And that is pretty much it.